Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a stockpile haul. I went to several different stores and this is a combination of grocery and personal care and household items. So let's get into it. So the first store I went to was Walmart, and from Walmart I did get some groceries. So I did get those cup of noodles. I got this ready rice. I also picked up some spices. So I got some almond extract, some garlic powder. I picked up some celery seeds, and I picked up some black pepper. Next, I got these tomatoes. We do eat a lot of tomatoes. I do pickle the tomatoes. I also got these Uncrustables. I wanted to try them. They're okay, but I probably wouldn't buy them again. I picked up some cherry preserves. I got some butter to put into the freezer. I got some Chobani yogurt. I picked up this white bean chicken chili. This is new to the market, but I've only seen it at Walmart. And then I got some corned beef hash. Now, we don't eat a whole lot of canned goods, so when I find canned goods we like, I gotta buy a lot of them. I also got some Quaker oats, and I picked up this 3-pack of Goya yellow rice. And then I just got some Milo sweet tea. So those are the food items that I got from Walmart this week. I also did pick up a couple of household items from Walmart while I was there. So I picked up a can of Lysol, some dryer sheets, and I got these 2 bottles of bleach tablets. So that's my Walmart haul. Up next, this is my Costco haul. Now, I actually Walmart had a recall on something that I had bought years ago and they offered full refund. So I just went on and got the refund and decided to use that refund towards some stockpiling. So as you can see here, up first I did pick up some Dixie Ultra plates, paper plates. They come in, I think it's 186 plates in a container. We do like to keep these in our, back stock or stockpile. I also picked up a 4-pack of the Lysol disinfecting wipes. I picked up some laundry detergent. We buy the Arm & Hammer. Now I do want to keep a good backstock of disinfecting wipes and laundry detergent. So I'm trying to buy as much of this as I can. I also got some AAA batteries. I got some of these Tide Pods. We do use these quite a bit, so I do want to make sure I start backstocking those or stockpiling those. And I did get some coffee because we are coffee drinkers and we definitely want to have a backstock of coffee. Okay, so now we have some food items that I got from Costco. So I got this turkey bacon. I also picked up this whole chicken. Now this comes 2 chickens in the pack, but I stopped and gave my niece one. And then I finally picked up some more tomatoes. Again, that's something that I generally will pickle if I have too many of them. So I'm going to pickle some of those. So I got these tomatoes, and then I also picked up some blueberries. And sometimes we'll actually freeze the blueberries as well if we have too many of them. While I was there, I did pick up some toilet paper and some paper towels. Now I do have paper towels and toilet paper in my storage unit, but this week I could not find the key to my storage unit. And so I didn't want to actually pay to have someone take the lock off. So I just went to Costco and got some more paper towels and toilet paper. But I do have a back stock in my storage unit of these items. In addition to that, I also picked up some water. We get the small bottles of water. So I got 2 cases of those as well. So up next is my CVS haul. I have been watching the coupon girlies on TikTok and trying to figure out how I can save money through couponing. They tend to like CVS a lot, so this is actually a CVS haul. I decided to practice some of the deals. I haven't perfected it. I think I might have messed up this order anyway, because I think I could have saved more money if I had done it right. But regardless, I am trying to do more couponing at places like CVS. If you're interested, I would say go over to TikTok and just search like CVS deals or couponing. I've seen Walgreens people, I've seen Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, all of those, as well as like Walmart and Kroger as well. So if you're interested in couponing, I would say go look at that. But anyway, getting into this haul, I did get 2 of the secret deodorants. I got the Tide Pods. I got this Free and Gentle detergent. I gave that to my niece. That's what she uses on her baby's clothes. I also picked up 2 toothbrushes, 2 of the lip balms, and I got 2 toothpastes by Colgate. Also, I got the 2 Nivea body washes. And finally, I got this Similac, this formula. And now this formula I put into my great niece's to-go bag. And that video is up on my channel if you want to see what I put into my infant niece's to-go bag. That video is up on the channel. Like I said, if you're interested in couponing, I would head on over to TikTok and take a look at the deals that they have there. For this stuff, I actually paid $64, which I think was a good price considering that Similac is like $45 by itself. So that's what I picked up at CVS on this day. Next up, I also went to Target the same day that I went to CVS because Target had a deal where if you spent $50 on household items, you would get $15 off. So I went and took advantage of that. And this is what I purchased. This total for this came to $77. I just so happened to have a $20-some gift card. And so my out-of-pocket for this stuff was like $52. So anyway, what I got from Target on this day, I did get these caps with matching mittens for my niece's to-go bag. I also picked up these Bona, what are these? Bona wet cleansing pads. We do use the Bona mop, so that's why we buy these a lot. I picked up these Tide Pods. Again, I want to have a good back stock of those. I got this Summer's Eve. I got these Oral-B floss sticks. And then I also purchased this Ready to Feed formula. This also went into my niece's to-go bag. I also purchased these Clorox disinfecting wipes, a 4-pack. I want to make sure I have a good back stock of detergent. So we got another detergent. I also want to make sure I have a good back stock of those disinfecting wipes as well. So that's everything that I got from Target that day. Like I said, I paid the final price for everything was $77, but I managed to get it for $52 because I did have that gift card. So anyway, the next haul that I'm going to show you is actually from Kroger. It's actually from Kroger and it's for personal care items. I went there because they were having a deal on body wash, Olay body wash. And so I went and picked up some body washes. I actually wound up paying $13 for 5 body washes. The price came to $23, but I had a $10 coupon, and I don't remember where I got the $10 coupon from. But I had a $10 coupon, so I wound up paying $13 for all of this body wash right here. That's really a good price considering the Olay Intensely Hydrating Body Wash is like $10 by itself. So I wound up paying $13 for 5 body washes. Can't beat it. So anyway, that's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.